Do you remember when you were younger and your muscles would recover overnight after a tough workout? Unfortunately, as we age, our recovery time slows down significantly and we may lose muscle mass at an alarming rate. In fact, after 60, most of us start losing about 1% of our muscle every single year. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you a simple, affordable and tasty food that has more protein than eggs. And this food can help you protect your muscles starting today. And best of all, it's not meat or protein powder. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to discover the incredible benefits of lentils. With 18 grams of protein per cup, they help counter muscle loss and support overall strength. This aids digestion, promotes gut health and helps regulate bowel movements. For seniors who often face digestive issues or constipation, lentils can be a game changer. Additionally, the fiber content helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of diabetes and heart disease. From soups and stews to salads and side dishes, lentils can be easily incorporated into various recipes. Their mild flavor and firm texture complement a wide range of ingredients, allowing you to experiment with different cuisines and flavors. Lentil soup is one of the easiest and most comforting dishes featuring lentils. For a flavorful and aromatic dish, try lentil curry. Lentils pair well with coconut milk and warming spices like turmeric, cumin and coriander. Create a rich and creamy curry by sautéing onions, garlic and ginger. For a unique twist on tacos, consider using lentils as a protein substitute. Sauté chopped onion, garlic and cilantro. Add cooked lentils and mash slightly to form a taco-sized patty. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend or family member who is over 60 and wants to stay strong and independent. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly tips on healthy aging and senior nutrition. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video. Top with your favorite taco fixings like salsa, avocado, and Greek yogurt. This high-fiber, high-protein dish offers a delicious and lighter alternative to traditional ground beef tacos. Add your favorite vegetables and the spice mixture. Then stir in the lentils and coconut milk. Layer cooked lentils with mashed sweet potatoes or cauliflower mash. Add a rich gravy made with vegetable broth, soy sauce and herbs like thyme and rosemary. This dish is packed with protein and fiber and is a delightful twist on the classic comfort food. Simmer until the lentils are tender and serve with brown rice or naan bread. This protein-packed curry is not only delicious, but also offers anti-inflammatory benefits. Simply simmer lentils with chopped vegetables such as carrots, onions, garlic, and celery. Adding lentils to salads can boost their nutritional value and provide a satisfying crunch. Combine cooked lentils with chopped cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, and fresh herbs. Toss with a simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. Lentils add a protein punch and their fiber content helps keep you full longer. Season with salt, pepper and your favorite herbs and spices. You can add vegetable or chicken broth for extra flavor and nutrition. This simple soup is not only protein-packed and fiber-rich, but also perfect for cozy nights in. Whether you prefer simple or complex dishes, lentils provide a nutritious foundation for satisfying and nourishing meals. Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or simply looking to boost your protein intake, lentils are an excellent choice. They help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure and decrease the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death in older adults. The fiber and protein content also aid in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and promoting weight management, further reducing heart risks. And if you want to combine lentils with other protein sources like grains, you can create a complete protein profile, helping your muscles rebuild and stay strong. It's something much simpler and healthier. Stick around and find out what it is and how to use it in your meals starting today. As we go through life, our bodies change. And unfortunately, after 60, we start losing muscle mass and strength. This condition is known as sarcopenia. And it can make everyday tasks more difficult and even raise the risk of falls and injuries. Lentils are a budget-friendly source of nutrition, costing just a few dollars per pound and providing multiple servings. This affordability makes it easier for seniors on fixed incomes to access high-quality protein and fiber without breaking the bank. A pound of dry lentils can yield up to 20 servings of cooked lentils, ensuring a consistent supply of essential nutrients for long-term health and well-being. But don't worry, because I've got good news for you. By making simple changes like adding more protein to your diet, you can slow down muscle loss and maintain your strength. When it comes to protein, many people turn to eggs as a staple source. And that's a great start. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein. But to truly fight muscle loss, you need to consume between 60 and 80 grams of protein each day, depending on your weight and overall health. That means you need to find additional sources of protein to meet your daily requirements. Now let me introduce you to your secret weapon against muscle loss, lentils. These unassuming legumes are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Plus, they're easy to prepare, incredibly affordable, and best of all, they taste delicious. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides a whopping 18 grams of protein, the same amount as eating 3 eggs. Not only that, but lentils are also rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, and potassium. And they contain virtually no saturated fat. In today's video, I'm going to dive deeper into the world of lentils and show you why they are a must-have in your kitchen. Number 1. Protein powerhouse. Lentils are a top plant-based protein source, providing all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Second, fiber focus. Lentils are loaded with both types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Third, heart healthy. With their low fat and sodium content, lentils support heart health while providing essential nutrients. Fourth, affordable nutrition. Fifth, versatility in the kitchen. Lentils are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, offering endless possibilities for creating delicious and nutritious meals. Now let's look at the many ways you can incorporate lentils into your daily meals. Lentil soup. Lentil curry. Lentils in salads. Lentil tacos. Lentil shepherd's pie. For a comforting and hearty meal, try a lentil shepherd's pie. Thanks for watching Senior Health Facts.